We are from Group 2. We will be presenting our group assignment as given. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Erika Frizana binti Awang Satya and my metric ID is AE230035. I am from Electric and Electronic Engineering Faculty.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Hakim bin Azhar. My metric number is AE230037 and my faculty is Electric and Electronic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ikwan bin Azri with matrix ID AE230020.
For this assignment, there is one requirement specification that we need to follow. We have to build a complete C++ program for lecturer to keep track of students' continuous assessment. For the data analysis, there are 3 inputs that we need to take note about. First, user input for creating a new student, including the student ID and assessment. Next, type of assessment such as quiz, assignment, lab and project, along with their percentage in the final grade. And lastly, for each assessment, user input for the number of tasks and individual score. Based on the question provided, this is our coding that we have done. In order to make sure that our coding can run well, we are using C++ online compiler in Google from Programmist. When we run this code in C++ online compiler, this is the result. Okay. The reason why it's stated as invalid is because the user input a wrong type of assessment. Instead of putting capital letter Q, the user input different letter or non-capital letter. Since the first student insert a wrong type of assessment, the program will continue to show the next user input. If the second student insert a right input, the final result program will print out only for the valid input. So, for the previous student that insert an invalid input, the program won't print out the result. This is another example for invalid product. The reason why it's stated as insufficient score for calculation is because in our coding, we stated that the user need to input at least 3 question number, but the user just put 2 questions. So it's stated as insufficient score. So lastly, I will show you the result for the final product if the user input the right in for each statement. As you can see, all of 3 students inserted the right input for each statement. They inserted the right student ID, type of assessment, number of questions, and their score. So, at the end of the program, it will print out the good result. The program will print out the average and percentage mark for each student based on the formula that is stated in the program. The program will calculate itself and show the final product as the result. To conclude all, I can say that the program will only print out the result only if the user inserted the right input as stated. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.